Welcome to all. This is Satish, Assistant Professor from Guntur Engineering College. Today we will discuss about compiler design introduction. So outlines mean scope of the course, compiler design overview, language processing system. These are the main object today class. Course scope aim to learn techniques of a modern compiler. Okay, the main aim of this compiler design course to learn the techniques of modern compilers. So many compilers are available. Okay, we will discuss the modern compiler. Main reference book, compiler design, principal techniques and tools, second edition by Alfred V. Revisity Woolman. Reference book is Modern Compiler Constructions in Java second edition. Terminology: compiler, a program that translates an executable program in one language into an executable program in another language. We accept the program produced by the compiler to be better in some way than the original. So compiler means convert the high level languages into low level language. That is, one type of language is converted into the another type. So here compiler source program means that is a user level language. That language is converted into the low level language. Next one is interpreter, the program that reads an executable program and produces the results of running that programs. Usually this involves executing the source program in some fashion. So interpreter also convert the one type of languages to another type of language. So both are the translator, but translation process is a different in compiler and interpreter. So compiler translate the entire program at a time, but interpreter execute the program in line by line. This is the main difference between the compiler and interpreter. So abstract view. So this is the general procedure. So how to convert the source program to machine level program. So source program. So this is a source program. So source program is input to the compiler. So that compiler is converted into the machine level language. So how to convert the source program into machine level language or high level languages into machine level language. So it compiler having this some phases. So each phase doing some task. So source program is a input and to get the machine code is a output. Recognize legal programs. Generate correct code. Manage store of all variables and code. Agreement on format for object code. So generate correct code. So it produce the high level language into correct machine level language. Manage storage of all variables and codes. So all the data are available in symbol table. That symbol table is connected to the compiler. So compiler design overview. Computers are balanced mixture of software and hardware. Hardware is just a piece of mechanical devices and its functions are being controlled by the compatible software. Hardware understands the instructions in the form of electronic charges, which is the counterpart of binary language in a software programming. So binary language has only two alphabets, 0 and 1. To instruct, the hardware code must be written in a binary format, which is simply a series of zeros and ones. Okay, here computer is an electronic devices. Okay, it can understand only binary languages. So it having hardware and software components. So hardware components. So using the software, you can run the hardwares. System understand only binary numbers, zeros and ones. Language processing system. We have learnt that any computer system is made of hardware and software. The hardware understands the language which human can't understand. So we write program in high level language, which is easier for us to understand and remember. The programs are then fed into a series of tools and OS components to get the desired code that can be used by the machine. This is known as language processing system. So language processing system means in whatever language you are using to write the program. So how the system processing the corresponding language, that is called a language processing system. So the general structure of the language processing system. So to create an executable target program, several programs may be required. The language processing system having the four tools: preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker and loader. So source program is a input to the preprocessor. So preprocessor give the output, means that is a modified source program. That modified source program is a input to the compiler. So compiler, that modified source programming is converted into the assembly level programs or assembly level languages. So assembler will take the assembly level languages that is converted into the machine code. This is the general structure. Okay, here I will explain one by one. High level language. If a program consists define, include derivatives such as include or define is called a high level language. They are close to human but far from. So high level language means user language. So general, using the general English language is a high level language. Preprocessor. The preprocessor remove all the include directives by including the files called file inclusion and all the define derivatives using macro expressions. It performs file inclusion, argumentation and macro processing. So preprocessor, high level language is the input to the preprocessor. The preprocessor is converted into the high level languages into pure high level language. That pure high level languages means remove the files, so white spaces and comments. So that is a pure high level language. Next one is the compiler. The high level language is converted into the binary language in various phases. A compiler is a program that converts a high level language as a assembly level language or low level language. Similarly, an assembler is a program that converts the assembly languages to machine level language. So compiler convert the high level languages into machine level language or low level language. Let us first understand how a program. So using the C commands execute on a host machine. User write a program in C language, that is a high level language. The C compiler compile the program and translate it to assembly program, that is a low level language. An assembler that translate the assembly program into machine code. A linker is a tool used to link all parts of the program together for execution. Loader all of them into memory, and then the program is executed. So this is the general process of preprocessor using the C program. Next one is the assembler. An assembler translates the assembly level program into machine code. The output of an assembler is called an object file, which contain a combination of machine instruction as well as the data required to place these instructions into memory unit. So assembly level language will take the input from the compiler. So that input is a low level language. That low level language is converted into the machine level language. So that is a assembler. So assembly level languages are add, move, null, shift. Okay, all these are the assembly level languages. Next one is the linker. Linker is a computer program that link and merge various object files together in order to make an executable file. All these files must have been compiled by separate assembler. The major task of a linker is to search and locate referred modules in a program and to determine the memory location where this code will be loaded, making the program instructions have absolute referred. Linker. So linker means linking the all parts of the program you can execute. Next one is loader. Loader is a part of operating system and is responsible for loading executable file into memory and execute them. It calculates the size of program and create memory space for it. It initializes various registers in initiate execution. So loader execution files. All execution files are stored in a symbol table using the linker. Linker link the memory unit. Particular locations load the executable information. Thank you.